One of the hidden secrets to the law of attraction that a large percentage of people never talk about is that sense of trust and belief that you need, knowing that everything is going to work out, that what you want wants you, that everything that you hope and dream is actually on its way to you and being open to receive it. So when you have that faith and that trust and you let go of all the resistance, that's when what it is that your heart desires, your goals, your dreams, that's when those things are able to come to you. I'm not saying they'll come to you immediately, but the thing is that the vast majority of people, they want their lives to change. They want something different, but they're struggling. They're in a state of stress and anxiety, and all of that is resistance. So I'm going to get you first. We're going to do a tapping today on that trust, that belief, on letting go of this resistance that is stopping you from living life beyond your wildest dreams, knowing that anything is possible, making your dreams a reality, because you are infinitely powerful and you have the ability to achieve anything you put your mind to. The first thing I'm going to get you to do is suspend all disbelief. I want you to imagine that all your hopes, all your dreams, the wealth, the freedom, the love, the health, everything that your heart desires is within your reach. It's all within your reach. Just imagine for a moment, like put yourself as a character in a movie of your own creation. Think about what you are doing in that movie. Think about the life you are living in that movie. Think about the experiences you are having as this character in the movie. No limits. Everything is possible. What you want wants you, and you are attracting it effortlessly. And it's not all coming at once. It's coming sequentially. It's coming as your experience. And you are taking action every single day that actually opens the doors for those things that your heart desires to come into you over time. I'm not saying a long time. It can happen relatively quickly when you release resistance. Okay, so the tapping that we are going to do today is on this faith and this trust and knowing that God is backing you all the way. If the term God doesn't work for you, then use the term spirit, the divine, source, whatever term you use, the universe. I'm only using God because it is a very common reference to this higher power. I believe it's all the same thing, by the way. I'm certainly not Christian, but I am highly spiritual. So if God doesn't work for you, just use another term, okay? So we're going to start by tapping on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. I choose to believe that what I want wants me. I choose to have faith and trust that everything my heart desires is on its way. I choose to have faith and trust that God is supporting me every step of my journey. I choose to have faith and trust that life is unfolding perfectly for me to realize my biggest, grandest goals and dreams. I choose to have faith and trust that everything my heart desires is coming to me now. I choose to have unshakable faith and trust that what I want is on its way to me now. I choose to relax, allow, lean in, let go, and trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for me to live my dream life. I choose to have faith and trust that God is guiding and supporting me every step of the way. I choose to have unshakable faith and trust that everything is perfect and I am going to achieve my goals and my dreams. I choose to have unshakable faith and trust in the journey and the unfolding toward my dreams. I choose to have unshakable faith and trust that everything that happens is perfect for me to achieve my goals and dreams. I choose to have unshakable faith and trust that I am becoming the person I need to be, who can achieve all my big goals and dreams. I choose to have unshakable faith and trust that God is guiding me and supporting me every step of the way. I have unshakable faith and trust in myself. I have unshakable faith and trust in the journey. I have unshakable faith and trust in the unfolding. I have unshakable faith and trust that God is supporting me every step of the way. I have unshakable faith and trust that what I want wants me. I have unshakable faith and trust that I am getting closer to the life of my dreams every day. I have unshakable faith, trust, and belief in my ability to achieve my goals and dreams, and that God is supporting me and guiding me every step of the way. Deep breath. And release it. Deep breath. Release it. It is your faith and trust that will set you up for ultimate success. Does that mean that everything that you do will work out? Does that mean that you will never fail? Absolutely not. But every failure is feedback. Everything that doesn't work out is a learning process. Failure is learning. And you are capable of achieving everything that you put your mind to. And when you have the faith and trust and know that the journey and the unfolding is unfolding perfectly for you, actually inviting you and helping you to evolve and become the person you need to be, who is capable of achieving that goal, that vision, that dream. If you haven't achieved it yet, you aren't the person who you need to be yet. You need to develop the traits and the characteristics and the faith and the trust and the unstoppable mindset. All of that is a package that sets you up for ultimate success. It is the fears, it is the doubts, it is the blocks, it's the limiting beliefs, it's the three things. It's not safe, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve it. That are the gremlins, the little monsters in your brain that will sabotage you and stop you from taking the action that you need to take. But that unshakable belief, once you have that, you will be unstoppable. Imagine that you have ultimate conviction, self-belief, self-worth, self-love, and self-confidence. Imagine that you have all four of those and you are unshakable. You know that it changes the game. So if you have enjoyed this, if you have found it beneficial, then in order to help others, like, subscribe, comment below, let me know how this landed for you, because that pushes the algorithm and helps other people to see this, and that helps more people with this incredible life-changing technique, tapping. And If you would like more help to uncover the gremlins in your brain, the fears, doubts, and blocks that are stopping you from going all in and achieving your goals and dreams, then I have this incredible new process. It is the Wealth Breakthrough Blueprint. It's at an incredible price right now. It is like multiple coaching and breakthrough sessions all in one process. It's unbelievable. If you want to find out more about that, then you can see the link that is below in the description to be able to go and check that out. It's where I get you to do a questionnaire, I do a full analysis, and I give you not just processes to help you to break the blocks and clear the fears and doubts. I also give you a unique strategic action plan to create wealth and live life on your terms. So the link is in the description. You can go and check that out now. And if you want another video to rewire your brain and clear those gremlins that are stopping you from being ultimately successful, you can check out this video here. It is an absolute game changer.